What zero? Yeah, that's exactly right. Shiba Inu Coin eating that zero and not looking back. Guys, the price action in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market right now is very, very bullish. Now, what this reminds me of is the initial run-up that we had at the beginning of 2021. This might not necessarily be the bull market that everybody's been waiting for and the massive rally that breaks out to all-time highs, but it could be setting up for it. I'm going to talk a little bit about that in more of a kind of a broader cryptocurrency look in this video, but I do want to focus on Shiba Inu Coin because it's not just the price that is rising. The burn rate is rising as well, and it's coming from community members, which means that people are excited once again. People are contributing once again, and Shiba Inu Coin could be on the verge of something very good once again. Let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. The more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please beware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And guys, make sure to check out crypto.com, and you should have Pinex down there as well. But let's look at the bro merch, the SHIB merch. Anything on Amazon. Guys, you guys are absolutely utilizing that link. Now, I found it very interesting because for about a 3-day period, I believe one of you may have been sharing that link in another place. Why do I say that? Because there was a surge in clicks. It didn't necessarily translate to a surge in spending, but there was certainly a surge in clicks. So if you guys, over the last week, shared that somewhere, keep doing it. It was a very large surge in the amount of clicks on that link. So make sure you guys share that link down there and get it out to as many people as possible. We burned 25 million SHIB in January, 25 million SHIB in February. I mean, it looks like, even at the increased price here, it looks like we're going to be burning around 25 million SHIB in March once again. But guys, we got to get that number up. I want to burn 25 billion SHIB one day, and somebody sharing that link somewhere will work. So make sure to do that, guys. Listen to this. The Shiba Inu Coin burn rockets 2,000% as the community burns 93 million Shiba Inu Coin. Now, guys, you know, you look at my numbers on Amazon and you say, well, dude, the bros are doing okay, but 25 million is low. Well, you know, you get these individual burns out there, and 5 million, 10 million is low. Sure, it absolutely is low. I get it. I understand the comparison between, you know, 25 million and 500 trillion. It's not even a drop in the bucket. But when you begin to add together like this, and the community begins to step up and you know, contribute, like they're doing right here, and you start to add 93 million, 100 million, maybe one day a billion, like we say, that's when things really start to add up and the water in that bucket begins to fill. So excellent job increasing the burn rate. Now, I'm not going to go through and talk about the what this article says is next. I want to focus a little bit more on where Bitcoin is, where Shiba Inu Coin is, and why we're not necessarily seeing that correlation between the two as of yet. That's the most important part. Now, Bitcoin, I don't know if you guys realize this, but pull a 1-week chart out, not a weekly graph. Each candle represents a week. And go back to the 2021 rally. You can see, if you do that, and I'm going to pull it up right here, you can see, if you do that, that at the beginning of 2021, Bitcoin from, when is this week right here? March 13th through essentially May 8th, Bitcoin was hitting candle tops in this exact area that we're at right now, $60,000 per coin. It fell off to about $30,000. That was a very deep decline after May. And, I don't remember the reasoning for that. Simply a pullback off of those all-time highs. But a lot of people expecting a pullback in March. So please be careful, because we could get that pullback in March from these all-time high levels. If you go back to October into September, November, the beautiful thing about that is it's exactly where we were now, or where we are now, $60,000. There was a 1-week period where Bitcoin wicked up to that all-time high of 69,000 and then came right back down. Guys, Bitcoin is essentially at all-time highs right now. But Shiba Inu Coin is not following along. Shiba Inu Coin's only at 11,000 or 1,100 points per coin right now. What gives? We got another 8x increase before SHIB gets back up to its all-time high. I truly do believe that this is the cyclical nature of the markets. And I truly do believe, with Bitcoin above $60,000 per coin right now, that we could begin to see, well, Bitcoin's saturated. Let's start to move into the riskier altcoins. Bitcoin is too expensive now. Let's move into those riskier assets, those meme coins, like Shiba Inu Coin. And I think that is taking place. Dogecoin sitting at about 10 cents right now. It's off its all-time highs. Shiba Inu Coin, 1,100 points per coin. It's off its all-time highs. But what did you see yesterday? A massive surge in volume, especially in meme coins. And the interesting part is the surge in volume yesterday was led by Pepe. I believe Pepe did $1.4, $1.5 billion in volume yesterday. When I looked, Shiba Inu Coin was at about $807 million, so knocking on the door of a $1 billion transaction day. And that shows to me that money is beginning to flow in to these littler assets, these meme coins, these riskier assets, which is exactly what you need to see in order for that altcoin season to kick off and the potential massive gains to rally higher. So I want to know what you guys think about it. Look, these analysts, these CEOs, they're calling for a pullback in March. But I'm going to tell you right now, this price action does not indicate a pullback whatsoever. It is strength after strength after strength after gain and gain and gain, man. What do you guys think is going to happen next? Down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.